Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a spooky blur edit on your photo in Epic Photo Editor. So this edit will suitable for your photo in Halloween. So here you can just open your Halloween photos. Maybe you in custom, and then open it on Epics, and then you can just go to effects and find blur, and here you can choose between these four blur effects: tricolor, particle, Y2K clone, and also random. So you can just choose one of them. So the random will go like this. There's the particle and Y2K clone, and there's also three clones. So I'm going to just use this one, and you can also adjust the distance and also the opacity of each blur. So I'm going to go with this, and you can also add some filters to make your photo more spooky. And here I'm going to just find the mono. I think I'm going to use the, you can just choose which one that fits your photo the best. Okay, you can just explore it. I'm going to find mine. Okay, I'm going to use mono, and you can also adjust it, but I'm going to just go with a 100. And you can also adjust the, maybe some adjustment. You can do this. I'm going to lower the brightness and also the contrast. I'm going to add in 15, and also okay, I'm going to go with I'm going to add some vignette effect like this, and I think that's all. Here is the before and here is the after. You can just click on this icon to download the result. Okay guys, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.